Hello everyone. Today, 22 August 2026, here is the latest update and forecast on the further intensification and track of Super Typhoon Saudel during the next few days. Super Typhoon Saudel is now becoming one of the major weather systems to watch across the western Pacific, with the storm undergoing rapid intensification under highly favorable atmospheric conditions. The latest reports indicate that Saudel is strengthening over very warm ocean waters, while relatively low wind shear and strong upper-level outflow are helping the circulation become increasingly organized. As of the latest observations, Saudel has already reached typhoon strength, with different agencies estimating sustained winds in the range of roughly 120 to 150 kilometers per hour. More importantly, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center is forecasting further rapid strengthening, with the possibility of the system reaching major typhoon strength and potentially super typhoon intensity within the next 24 to 48 hours. And this is where the situation becomes particularly important. Forecast guidance suggests that Saudel could reach its peak intensity around August 23, with some forecasts indicating extremely powerful winds and a central pressure potentially falling to around 940 hectopascals. One forecast scenario indicates maximum sustained winds near 90 knots, with significantly stronger gusts. The storm is currently expected to continue moving generally northwestward before gradually turning toward the west-northwest. Saudel is also expected to pass through or near the Philippine area of responsibility around August 23. If it enters the region, Pagasa is expected to use the local name Obet for the system. However, its stay inside the Philippine monitoring region could be relatively brief. The next major concern is the storm's movement toward the waters south of Japan. Current forecasts indicate that Saudel could approach Okinawa and the Amami Islands around August 26, bringing the potential for very heavy rainfall, violent winds, and dangerous waves. But there is still considerable uncertainty beyond that point. Forecast models are not in complete agreement on the longer-term track. Some scenarios allow Saudel to continue westward toward the eastern coast of China, while other solutions turn the system northward toward the Korean peninsula or southward toward Taiwan. So at this stage, it is far too early to lock in one exact landfall location. For India, the immediate threat is not a direct landfall. However, a powerful Western Pacific typhoon can still attract attention because its large-scale circulation may influence the broader Asian weather pattern. The eventual movement and weakening of Saudel could therefore become relevant to regional weather developments farther west. The key message for August 22 is clear. Saudel is rapidly intensifying, the next 24 to 48 hours are critical, and the storm could reach super typhoon strength before beginning its next major turn. Residents and authorities across Okinawa, the Amami Islands, and other potentially affected areas should closely monitor official forecasts, because both intensity and track can still change significantly. We will continue watching Super Typhoon Saudel very closely as this powerful system moves across the western Pacific.